I think a good starting point with any of these sequences questions is to establish whether the sequence is linear, quadratic, or something even stranger. And the best way to do that is to work out what the difference between all of these numbers are. So let's do that and find out what we've got. Well, it doesn't take much work to realise that we have a constant difference of 3, and it's a positive 3. We're going upwards. So if they simply want the next term in the sequence, we just need to add 3 to 14, which gives us 17. And that is your answer. Okay, the second part. Well, yet again, it's fairly obvious that we're dropping down by -2 every time. So our next number will be -2. And that again is your answer. Part 3. Difference of 2, difference of 4, difference of 8. We're doubling the difference each time. 2 up to 4, up to 8. Now I expect the difference to be 16. So this number here will be 32. And that again is your answer. Okay, part B. We've got 11. Then we've got a mystery number. Then another mystery number, and then we've got 35. And we're told that the sequence increases by the same amount each time. So let's assume this is x, and this is x, and this is x. So to get from 11 right up to 35, we've added 3x. So we can actually write down an equation. 11 plus 3x equals 35. All we've got to do to solve this is to get the x's on this side of the equal sign and the numbers on the right-hand side. The 3x can remain, but the 11, we've got to subtract 11 from both sides, which means it disappears from the left-hand side and reappears on the right-hand side, having moved across and changed its sign, and we get 35 minus 11. 3x is equal to 24. X must be equal to 8. So the missing numbers are 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus another 8 is 27. And those are your two answers.